catch a one, yeah. New Year! Peace! Brand new year, still a roll with the matic. No bag a long chat if I no money at the topic. Bad mind, no for that vehicle in a traffic. Dirty yard, coconut water, still can't wash it. New year! Me circle get smaller, hustle harder. More money, that's the order. Me love the US, but the pound it broader. Investment, real estate over Prada. New year! Are you ready? Are you ready? Easy! Signal!
Yes, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan. Wagwan. Want to say much love and enough respect and blessings to all the viewers and the subscribers. Yes, the second day of the new year, people. And I am very, 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 very upset right now. Yes, very upset right now, viewers and subscribers. One brethren, one of my favorite artists, one of the favorite artists that I'm most proud of as a dance hall artist. You see me? Proud of that brother here. Two artists we're very proud of. Him and Assassin. I mean, always I say them brother here. Them do them thing different. Them dep on a different level. You see me? Yeah, we always say boy, he's on another level. I mean, him do things differently and him not in the bag of mix up and the bag of passa and the bag of this and the bag of that and the bag of God's nose and horse a fret and cow get fat and no, him just keep himself circumspect and regardless of the Gary incident or the Gary allegations, massive, we make that slide because we put it down to engineer's error. Gary, give me one more night. And we put it down and say, you know, an engineer's fault is an engineer's error. We don't really think him enough deal with Gary and I beg Gary another night. And we let that slide, people. But busy signal, you disappoint me this time, brother. This is not no engineer's error, nor no photocopy error, nor no nothing. This is just your doings, bruv. Viewers and subscribers. Busy Signal drop a song. And the song bad out of this world. You see me? But Busy Signal dressing is tiring. Busy went from busy to Lizzie. Busy, you went from busy, the turf general, busy to Lizzie. Me not like this, brother. This not look good. Me, I can imagine what Bounty Killer is gonna say when Bounty sees this. People, before me go no further, take a look at this and tell me if this look appropriate, if this is an appropriate dressing for a man, turf general, a man of Busy Signal caliber. What is Busy Signal thinking? This look more feminine, brethren. Me not like this. No, me do not like this. This not look right, Busy. This look like you're gone, brethren. Like you're going. This look like you're going, brethren. Alright? Me not like this, Busy. Viewers and subscribers, take a look at this picture.
God Almighty.
Viewers and subscribers. How that look? That tell me how that look to you know. Jump in the comment box, in the comment section and tell me how does that look? That look like a man thing to you know that look more like a shibada or something. No. Me I tell you Rasta. It no look good Rasta. No sir. Busy like you're going brethren. To be quite frank youth. That just in the no busy man, no busy man, no busy man, me mama, no busy man, kiss out me lime seed busy man, no brethren. That are not alliance something dog, no brother, no alliance you come from busy, come on man. That don't look good brother, why did you put that, why you can dress in that busy as a girl pitney something that brother? No Rasta. No Rasta. Busy me lose off a busy man. On a serious level. Hey people, check this out. Busy over the years, you know, one good little artist, you know. Selassie I got known as a good little artist, you see me? Yeah, him busy for him step out in the full black and step out in a black and you know, we are watching him career and how him conduct himself in and out the studio and off the stage and you know me I say busy and me put him in a one category like how you see me categorize Agent Sasko. I say you see these two youth Rasta and them are the honorable in a dance hall. The artists them with no flaws to them name. So if you understood what me I say, you see me I say, yeah, and we I say them me like how them live them life and I conduct themselves and you know. But then the Gary allegation come out when with a song there when them a beg for one more night and a little part we say, Gary give me one more night, a million more night, you know, and people them ready to rise up the machine for them and I say, we are deal with you, so kind of thing that you beg Gary and he must say no, I no Gary, you know, it's supposed to be baby, but you know the engineer go out with a little error thing there, and you know, I will say alright busy. We'll give and take a minute or two and get the benefit of the doubt. You see me? And we did just that and say alright, make it slide and we sweep it under the carpet. But this one cannot be swept under the carpet busy. You're going to need to come and explain this, brethren. This addressing your brethren. The man them are going to laugh after your turf. The man them are going to rise up. And this don't look good. A girl put the thing that's something that dog. No man, a girl me see just some man. The last time we go to a wedding, a big girl me see in the wedding just that way with something upon them. So they so stay so brother. I no bad man thing, I no rude boy something that. No busy. No Rasta. No Rasta. We not take that one the Rasta. I want to can't slide busy. You mad fam. On a serious level people. No busy. This and the song bad enough people. I love the song, you know, the song. You know, the song bad. To be quite honest, the song nice song, bad song. You see me I say? You can dance to that song there, you know. Mid span, you know, but the dressing dog. We're not too keen with it, dog. No. Look fishy. Smell like sardine, dog. They're just in the smell like sardine. Nah lie. Fishy. Bad. No busy man. Come on man, busy man. You let we down busy man. Busy, you let us down Rasta. You let us down busy. On a serious level busy man. You let us down. Let we down busy. Seriously. You see me I say people? Busy, let we down. No sir. Busy, boy, me can't wait for busy come. Cause me know killer go call up and say busy what up? Yo, busy chill not. What up man? Yo, road boy, what up? That's not a bad man thing busy. Yes, you say? Yeah, me know killer go call up and you go explain this dog. It don't look good. Doesn't look good. People, tell me on honest opinion. jump into the comment section and tell me you're honest, without no bias, with no feelings whatsoever. Your honest opinion. Me no want man say each to his own, cause I deal with certain type of righteousness and what is wrong and what is right. Once a person come and say each to his own, that means that's something where he will do. That's something where you can do on your overs. You see me I say, me no want man say, boy, to each his own. Me know no people are going to want to say that, but when you say things like that, it's like you're in alliance with it. You condone it. And sometimes people get judged for that as an accessory. You see what I try to say? Because more time, if the thing is wrong, but because of people and their status, certain people afraid to say, boy, that wrong, full stop. Them say, to each his own, and every man to them thing, and with them, this and that, and God knows. And also the thing we said, right is right, and wrong is wrong. If a thing is right, it's right. And if it's wrong, then it's wrong. You overs. And when it's wrong, you get a wrong bang. If it's right, you get a sticky. Like Nike. Yeah, I stand. So, me no want for too cross off busy off of my playlist yet. You know what I mean? Me really want to do that, to cross off busy off of my playlist like that. But the dressing, brother, me no know what under God's heaven and on God's earth could make busy even addressing like this. Then figure bring it forth. You see me I try to say? Me no busy. You go Lou. You go Lou busy. And everybody I go tell you, wait. Right now Bounty probably seated there and Bounty a Ben. And Bling Dog probably a Ben. And Carter probably a laugh off him. Laugh with box cover. Movado probably a dead with laugh right now when him see this car. Vado would never do that. So we know when Vado says Vado dead with laugh right now. Movado laugh dead with laugh right now. And we know Bounty a Ben like staple right now. You see me? Yeah. This no turf general. No. Kiss out me lime seed, man. No, man. No look good busy, man. No, man. Me I say, wait, what is busy out here? What the bum? What is busy out here, star? What is busy put on? What is busy? This a girl thing busy, man. You went from busy to lazy, dog. Not even go around the thing, brethren. I tell us straight off of the real, dog. Because we not deal with bat. So straight off of the real. Because some man love says straight off of the bat. But me not work with bat because bat too close to that. You see me, David? Yeah. Straight off of the real, dog. And we keep it real, dog. Busy, me I tell you. Straight up and down, youth. This does not look good. Killer suppose I say youth. Yo, youth. This does not look good, youth. Change that, youth. Take off that, youth. Me bumpy screw. But a serious level though. But a serious level people. When they might go laugh over it too much. Cause them thing are serious. Busy should have never do a thing like this. And right now, me feel like me don't know busy. Me don't know. Me I wonder what's going on in busy. Me I wonder what's going on. You know what I mean? Me I wonder what the eye. Me don't know. 2024 must come with a different thing for the eye, dog. Me don't know. You see what I say? No. It's the truth, brethren. 2024, no, brother. How busy not bill? People, here we are going. Not talk busy and follow to our go on. I make him know say yo busy. We know depend this, you know busy. We no tag busy, I make busy know say right now busy. We not too depend this. Alright? Viewers and subscribers. Moving forward. So, viewers and subscribers. Viewers and subscribers. I see this video where circulate on the internet. You see me? And it's a very disturbing video. So I'm gonna show you a little piece of the video, but I can't show the video in its whole the entire video because of YouTube and the policies. You understand? But me show you a tiny little piece. But when we do video is talk about this video looks strange. People, this video look very, very, very strange. Like if you don't watch the video, I'm sorry you won't get to watch the entire video to see where me I point out. But you say me can go as close as possible. It's a video where the stunt bike man get hit by the bus. But me I watch the video, the whole video, me watch the whole thing. Me have the whole thing, I'm watch it. And me I watch and me I analyze the whole thing leading up to the crash. Right? And the guy arrived and somebody else was riding behind him. And he was riding in his correct lane. He was riding in his correct lane. And he was even signaling to the rider behind him as to say, like, he must say, watch this now or slow down. And him having him left and make some signal to the guy. And then as soon as him saw the bus coming, he rode over in the bus lane and then just like purposely collide with the bus. And me I wonder what kind of demon in a hell could have make him do such a thing. Cause this is not an accident. This to me not come like an accident. This is more like an intended incident. To me, I know accident. Accident are like he might ride over here, so he might over there, so and somebody get out of control and accident happen. This is not accident. This look like something purposely intended. If you know what the whole thing and his body language and his thing, the guy literally rode into the bus, fam. Yeah, I mean, the guy literally rode into the bus. When I see it, I was like, kiss out my lime seed. A man can really so brave for a start. You know what I say? And people, not because me a laugh, it's not a laughing matter. You know what I mean? But sometimes some serious things you kind of find it funny sometimes. And you have to giggle a little bit or laugh. Get me? But it's not really a laughing matter. And I hope the kids them who will be seeing this don't even try this. Because this is overly serious. You see me I deal with? But me I tell you, brethren, I know it's not normal. No normal. This is no accident, fam. I watch it. I want to watch it keenly. The guy literally, cause the guy never try. Alright. Say you go so boom and you ride over there, so. You see me as a people, and you see the bus come. You know, alright. Take to the bank inside then, cause you can't come back to your left again. You cannot come back to your left. So to your right, take to the bank inside and save yourself. The guy just blatantly just ride up into the bus like boom. Like it's a movie. Probably I don't know, fam. I do not know. Rasta, I don't know. But this look like this not normal. This not normal at all. You know normal. This look like say a demons push him into that bus there. No, fam. viewers and subscribers, watch it, look at it, and jump in the comment section and tell me your views. What you think, if this look like anything near normal to you. You understand? Watch it keenly, observe the rider's body language, you know what I mean, and tell me in the comment box, like, honestly, what you guys think, man? What you guys think? Because to me, this is not normal. So take a look, people. Take a look.
God Almighty, I couldn't believe this didn't go, so my God.
So, my viewers and subscribers, you see, have you seen it for yourself? So this is not the normal thing, brother. I don't even want to call it accident. I don't know what something normal about this. You know what I mean? But jump in the comment section, people, and let me know what you guys think, okay? So, right, so we have made it to the end of another video. And I want to thank you guys very much for watching. You know what I mean? You guys are awesome as usual. We give thanks for the item. See what I say? Give yourself a round of applause, people. You know, we appreciate you to the bone. Alright? So, until I drop the next video, people, do remember to stay safe and look after each other. And before I go, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright? We love you now. Stay safe.